This is my Radiola 20. I had a couple videos out on this where I got it working, and I had a power supply in the cabinet below, and I could switch it on and demonstrate it for people. But the thing, something's intermittent, and it quit working. It would work and then it would go out. It could be a tube, but I think there's a bad connection inside of it somewhere that I need to fix. So I'm going to have to take it apart, put it on the bench, and work on it. So that's going to be a project I'm going to work on pretty soon. Okay, I believe I've spotted the problem, or at least a problem. Here's a tuning capacitor, and you see right here, right on this tab right here, the wire is broken. That black wire right here. This wire right here has to solder to that. So that circuit's broken, and that's maybe the problem or maybe a problem. I'm not really sure. But I'll mend that. I'll look over a lot of the other connections before I connect it to a power supply and power it up. But that may be the problem or maybe just a problem. So I'll have to fix that. Okay, I've got it soldered back on. But somebody, I bought this from a collector, I think. At least I think it might have it came from somebody that maybe fooled with it and didn't know what they're doing. But this knob is not correctly calibrated. I'm going to see if I can. I don't think it's going to matter much. I could probably leave it the way it is. But you can't take the plates completely out. Like on this one, for example, see? Plates completely out. Plates completely in. This one, it's not right. So I'm going to see if I can fix that. And it's a very delicate thing to do, because if I loosen this nut, you got to get that plates just right so they don't touch. There's not very much room there between the plates. So I'm going to see what I can do with it. Maybe I'll just leave it the way it is for now, but I don't think it's going to make much difference in the operation if I don't get the inner plate, the moving plate, completely out. I don't know. But anyways, the wire is soldered back on. Okay, well, apparently I fixed the radio. It was just that broken wire. I've got it set to 3 volts. Come on, focus. I guess but it's at 3 volts. I have to put the Radiola speaker on the floor, because the tubes are so microphonic that they feed back instantly. Even if I got a speaker sitting right here, it feeds back. Maybe different tubes might fix it. That's the tickler coil. Here are the 2 rheostats. This is the battery rheostat you set to 3 volts, and this is your volume control here. I actually think they might get there on that. What do you think of Mike? Like I say, this is a real fun radio to tune up. That station, I'm just not going to get that one in. It's picket fencing. They call that picket fencing, that stuttering. It's an art tuning this radio, but at this point I'm going to call it fixed and I'm going to put it all back together. I still have my blasted cold. Beautiful day. I could have gone out and rode my horse today, but no, I didn't do that. So I thought it's time to fix this thing because I really like this radio. I really do. So now I'm going to put it back together. Well, it's all back in place. So at least I accomplished something today. It was a beautiful day out. I would have loved to rode my horse today, but oh no, I have a rhinovirus got me. And so now I have this nice cold. So I didn't go riding. You see, I lost that station for some reason.
Saturday, that means it's going to be falling into the 30s overnight with maybe tomorrow sunshine, warmer afternoon. We get up to around 70 degrees for a high, and back down into the upper 40s Saturday night. Sunday, a few more clouds around. There may be an isolated sprinkle or two before sunrise. The rest of us are going to just stay dry from start to finish. Temperatures will be slightly warmer as well as we push to about 73 degrees. Winds will begin to pick up on Sunday and then become rather gusty on Monday as the cold front moves in. That front not only brings us
I have no idea where that station's coming from.
I think this is about our values as a country. Clear tax plans and we'll know what you're doing.
That's easymoney.com. Sounds that doesn't look like. Can I help? So the income currently is about 105,000. We don't own our house, so now, I mean, do we save to buy a house cash or do we get a mortgage? Okay. And so you have an emergency fund in place of 3 to 6 months of expenses. Yes. Okay. That puts you to baby step 4 then. And some people pause before moving on and start saving for retirement and save up their down payment for their homes. And we laughingly around here call that baby step 3B.
Well, at least now I can demonstrate the radio. I had people here, they see it, they say, oh, does it work? And I say, oh, of course. And then it broke. So now it's fixed. So there you go. I love this radio. It's fun to tune it. A lot of times I'd string the antenna up. I had a longer outdoor antenna hooked up to it in my shop. It got more stations there. But it's a fun radio to tune. I really like it. So that's it. It's repaired.